All right, so this next exercise we're going to do relates to the way your elbow and your knee moves together in Wing Chun. So what I want you to do, bring your hands up, just do the building the ball Qigong from Qigong system, from the elastic force. Get the whole body pore breathing feeling that you can feel the joints open and close as you breathe. So you focus your will and breath and stretch. Pull the joints open, push the joints open, pull the joints open, whole body pore breathing. So revise the building the ball Qigong set if you haven't done this. And from there, once you have that feeling of the fascia connecting and the whole body is an elastic balloon opening and closing, I want you to drive your elbow and your knee simultaneously down towards the ground. So I push down with my elbow, down with my knee. And what this does is it grounds the system. So I push down first and then up. I push down with my elbow and my knee and then up. Now when I want to strike, I push both down, but as I push down, I keep my elbow going down, stretching down until my punch comes out. What this does is a mechanical trick to connect your mass. So I just press down and my body mass arises in because it's a stretch. My knee and my elbow clamp my core and I press everything down and in and I compress my core and I compress onto the ground and I have connected mass. So you can get with a training partner, touch their bridge, grab their forearms and then press your elbows and knees down to the ground, stretch everything, compress your core and then just cut underneath their ankles and cut their base. And you can use this as basic uprooting exercises. I've done videos on this topic already. And now you clamp down and compress the core to create power. So I want you to start adding this element into your training to create ground path. So vital breathing, whole body pore breathing, so you connect into the elasticity of your body. Elbow and knee drives down, compresses the core, and this increases connected mass. The reason we synchronize the elbow and the knee, it makes things really fast. If I went foot, ankle, calf, knee, hip, drop the hip, stretch the spine, shoulder, elbow, hand drops under, this takes time. It's good for refining and becoming aware of the line, but I want to make a simultaneous compression of the knee and elbow into the fascia. Boom, outward force becomes connected and fast. So we're going to do about 20 to 30 different elements. Mechanical changes to increase power. This is one of the early changes, synchronizing elbow and knee to connect mass. Okay, thank you for your time. See you on the next video.